Can you tell which one of these ads is AI? If you guess both, you're right. But did you notice that I'm AI generated too? Brands are getting fleeced by UGC creators. You're shipping products, paying for authentic videos, and waiting for weeks for a bad edit. It's a waste of money. I'm going to show you how brands are using ImagineArt to build their own studio-level UGC in-house for a fraction of the cost, start to finish. So watch closely. Step 1 is to take a basic photo of your product on your phone, and then we're going to use Nano Banana to generate a hero shot. So it fixes the lighting, removes the background clutter, and makes the picture look like it was taken on a professional product photographer. This image is going to be our anchor. Now we're going to create our UGC character. You aren't stuck with whatever's available on a platform. You need a tech-focused Gen Z guy, a high-end skincare aesthetic, or a relatable mom persona. You generate the character that fits your brand's specific demo without the hassle of having to negotiate contracts or shipping. Now that the UGC is finalized, we take our master product shot and use a Nano Banana Pro to place it directly in the character's hands. It looks like a physical handoff. The lighting on the bottle matches the lighting on the creator. Perfect. For the final step, the script. We're going to move to lip sync. You type the dialogue, choose the inflection, and the AI delivers.
I've been using the Gold Snow shampoo this week, and it honestly surprised me.
If you want to A/B test a different hook for a TikTok ad, you just need to change the text.
I've been using the Gold Snow shampoo this week, and it honestly surprised me. I didn't expect it to work this well. Check out this deal.
You don't have to rehire an editor or wait for a reshoot. The beauty of this is scale. You can have 3 different creators testing the same product, 3 different audiences, all in the same afternoon. This is how you dominate social ads without the massive overhead. That's the workflow. Total control over your talent and your script. See ya.